Hey everybody, today we're going to review this LED light bar fog lights that I got off of Amazon. The brand is Yitamotor and it's a 48 watt LED light and it's 4 inches by 4 inches. So it comes with two LEDs with brackets, as you can see. And this is the LED, as you can see. And each LED has about 16 lights. Yeah, 16, eh? And that's all the contents in the box. It's essentially just the LEDs with its brackets and the connection here, black and red, power and ground. So looking at this up close, this is made with, it feels light, aluminum, and this is most likely a weatherproof cord, as long as you seal it correctly, of course. And the front feels plasticky, so it's not going to break. So high resistant tempered plastic, I believe. I don't know what the term is, but anyways. And here's the mounting point, so you can mount it in just as you need it. The brackets are simple, very simple. So it comes with a bolt, and that's pretty much it. A bolt to and from across the bottom of this. That goes on to this mounting point here. And that mount will be connected through another lug and goes like that into wherever you need it to be. So all the hardware is needed. It comes with locking washers and the nuts and lugs. Lugs, right? Yeah. Let's power this up and see how strong it is. So here's the light connected to power, and that's the projection of it. It's pretty wide. It's not on the dot, but you can tell where the general area is lit up. Right now it's drawing about 3 amps, which is 9 volts on this. So the resistance on this makes this run about 3 amps. I can't go any higher because my power supply is maxed out, and so it's not letting me draw more voltage or current. Here is the front angle of the light. I'm going to adjust the exposure to show you how it looks like with minimal exposure. And so you can see all the lights lighting up and equalizing it. This is kind of like the balanced exposure, so you can see a light. Here it is at an angle with the exposure adjusting through the iPhone. And the LED light does not get that hot, but I'm not drawing the max current from it. Right now is 9 volts, and so you put about 3 more volts to 14 more volts, it should be pretty bright. You can see the dust in the room from this light, which is meaning that it's pretty bright. You can even see yeah, it's really bright. Considering the cost, I didn't think this is going to be that great, but it turned out being pretty good for the cost. It got a little bit warm with the current voltage I was using at 9 volts, but it's built really good, and it feels like it's going to take a beating, and I don't think it's going to look like it's going to hurt if you drop it or whatnot. I have a glass table, so I'm not going to drop it. Nonetheless, pretty good deal for what it costs.